I request the volunteers to kindly come and felicitate them. May I also take this opportunity to request Sri Hemachandra Singh sir, the former Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, former Minister, Government of Manipur, and 5-time. Give him a big round of applause! May I request the former YTF President, Sunil to felicitate them along with the volunteers, and Suraj Devrama, the YTF President. Both of you are requested to come on the stage along with the volunteers. Please come. May I also request all our dignitaries to please come and pay a tribute to our late Maharajas here on the stage. Mama!